Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm about to share with you 9 tips and tricks that will help you write better React code and will make you a better React developer without losing a lot of time. Let's jump straight into those tips and tricks and understand more about them. Number 1 in the list is using Pascal Case for component names. Pascal Case ensures consistency and aligns with React's component conventions, making the code easier to understand and maintain. So use Pascal Case for component names. Number 2 in the list is avoiding redundant boolean props. This is important because it avoids unnecessary code while keeping the meaning clear. Number 3 in the list is keeping state immutable. It's very important because maintaining immutability ensures React can properly detect state changes and trigger re-renders. And we all know that when a re-render happens, the UI is updated and we see the new change. So do not mutate the state directly in React. Try to always get a shallow copy of the state and then mutate the state. Number 4 in the list is using double ampersand for conditional rendering. And my tip here is to simplify conditional rendering by avoiding ternary expressions when you don't need them. Number 5 in the list is avoiding inline styles. This is a bad practice. If you have a component and you want to style each HTML element, don't use inline styles. Always try to extract your CSS into a separate file, import it, and then use them directly, or use Tailwind CSS or style components. Do not write inline CSS. This is a bad practice. Number 6 in the list is avoiding hard-coded strings. Always try to extract hard-coded values into constants or enums, because this will reduce the chance of errors. We are all humans and we all make mistakes. Number 7 in the list is using optional chaining. Optional chaining is a great feature. It simplifies accessing deeply nested properties of an object and handles undefined values gracefully without throwing an error. So make sure you use optional chaining. Number 8 in the list is using default props. Default props eliminate unnecessary conditionals and keep the code cleaner. Use default props as much as you can. And finally, number 9 is avoiding inline functions in JSX. Inline functions can cause unnecessary re-renders, so always try to move them outside for better performance. And that was all about the 9 tips and tricks that will help you write better React code. If you like such content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you again in the next video.